Are you constantly on the grind, chasing your dreams, but still feel stuck and exhausted? What if I told you the secret to ultimate productivity isn't working harder, but resting smarter? Stay tuned because this one shift can change your life forever. By the end of this video, you'll understand why rest is more than just sleep and how it can supercharge your success. But first, let's bust the biggest myth about hard work. In today's fast-paced world, we're told that success is a result of grinding harder, sleeping less, and constantly pushing forward. Hustle culture has convinced us that every waking moment must be productive, or else we're falling behind. But what if this mindset is actually sabotaging your dreams? Let me tell you a story. Sarah was a young professional who worked 12-hour days, skipped meals, and barely got 5 hours of sleep. She thought she was doing everything right to reach her goals. But one day, she hit a wall. Burnout set in, her performance dropped, and she felt stuck. Can you relate to Sarah's story? If yes, this video is for you. Sarah's story is more common than you think. Studies reveal that over 70% of working professionals experience burnout, and this number is rising every year. Burnout doesn't just affect your mental health. It can lead to physical illness, strained relationships, and even career setbacks. So, what's the solution? It's not working harder. It's learning how to prioritize rest. Now, let's bust a myth. Rest is not laziness. In fact, rest is one of the most productive things you can do. Let's think about the brain for a second. When you're working nonstop, your brain is like a car running on fumes. Without refueling, you're bound to break down. But when you rest, your brain gets the chance to process information, spark creativity, and recharge its problem-solving abilities. It's no wonder some of the world's most successful people swear by prioritizing rest. Think of your body and mind like a smartphone. Would you ever expect your phone to work without recharging the battery? Of course not. Yet, we expect our bodies to function at peak performance with minimal rest. Rest doesn't just mean sleep. It encompasses everything from mental breaks to mindfulness practices to simply enjoying a moment of quiet solitude. Let's talk about mindfulness for a moment. Mindfulness has been scientifically proven to lower stress, improve focus, and enhance overall well-being. Even 10 minutes a day of deep breathing or meditation can do wonders for your mental clarity. It's all about finding those small moments to pause and reset. Another often overlooked form of rest is engaging in hobbies. Whether it's painting, gardening, or playing an instrument, hobbies allow your brain to shift gears and enter a flow state. This is a type of active rest that can help you recharge without feeling guilty. Here's the kicker. Rest isn't just for your personal health. It's a performance enhancer. Studies have found that taking regular breaks can actually boost productivity and creativity. Think of it this way. Would you rather work at 50% capacity all day or 100% capacity for shorter bursts? The choice is clear. Now, let's break down the different types of rest. Physical rest includes sleep and activities like yoga or stretching to relieve tension in your body. Mental rest involves taking breaks from constant thinking or problem solving. This could be as simple as a walk outside. Emotional rest means setting boundaries and giving yourself permission to disconnect from toxic environments. Creative rest is what happens when you expose yourself to nature or art to reignite your imagination. And finally, social rest involves surrounding yourself with uplifting people and cutting out those who drain your energy. Here's your challenge for today. Take 30 minutes for intentional rest. Whether it's a short nap, a mindfulness practice, or simply enjoying a hobby, commit to making rest a priority. Your future self will thank you. If this video opened your eyes to the power of rest, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who needs this message, and subscribe to our channel for more actionable tips on wellness and success. Remember, rest isn't a luxury. It's your secret weapon for achieving greatness. Hit that subscribe button and join the movement.